When was the last time you changed your Audi's cabin air filter? Most drivers forget about it, but this small part makes a huge difference. The cabin filter cleans the air that enters your car through the ventilation system. It traps dust, pollen, dirt, and even harmful particles before they reach you and your passengers. A clean filter means fresher air, better airflow, and a stronger air conditioning performance. If your windows fog up quickly or you notice a bad smell inside the car, it might be time for a replacement. For most Audi models, changing the cabin filter every 10,000 to 15,000 kilometers is recommended. Small part, big impact, clean air, every drive.